Hello guys, welcome welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this full face of fall vampy glam makeup. It is the season to be dark. It is cold now, and I just kind of wanted to bring you guys this really fun look, and I definitely have been craving a dark lip, so I was just like, oh, I need to do like a dark glossy lip. So this is what I ended up coming up with. I did use the JHxMorphe palette. This one is Ring the Alarm, I believe, for this eye look. I will definitely tell you guys my opinions on this palette at the end of the video, but so I don't ramble on forever and ever, because you guys know I do that. We're gonna jump right into the tutorial. This is just legit a tutorial. I will not be talking or anything. It's just gonna be me showing you guys how I get this look. It's more like a get ready with me, and you will hear like music, you know, to pass the time. It's gonna be fun, and just sit back, grab a snack, and just enjoy this video. But before you do all of that, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's get started.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, oh, dancing, stay down to the dancing, 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 oh, dancing, oh, dancing, stay down to the ground. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground, 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 ground. Stay down to the dancing, oh, 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 dancing. Stay down to the dancing, 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 oh, dancing, oh, dancing, dancing, oh, say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer. Oh, ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee cause I believe. Say, oh, I am a believer.
guys, so this is the final look that I ended up coming up with for today's tutorial using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. This one is the Ring the Alarm, if I am not wrong. Now, while I think that this look, by the grace of the Lord and baby Jesus, came together, this palette tried my entire existence. I know that I'm not a professional makeup artist. You know, I just play around in makeup for fun, and I show you guys the, you know, crazy little things that I come up with. However, this palette is absolute trash. And I am so sad to be saying that because I absolutely loved the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. You guys have seen me use it in so many videos, so many tutorials. Like, it was the highlight of like my year, the year that it came out. I absolutely love that palette. And I can tell you now that I am so disappointed in the quality of these shadows. They are trash. I started out with this shade, basically turned dark and muddy on me. Tried to, you know, fix it with this one. This one has barely any pigment to show up on anything. Had to pack it on so much. These shimmers, there's like something about them that they don't pick up well with a brush. So I had to like use my fingers, and I have like really horrible fingers, and I felt like I couldn't get like a sharp line the way I wanted to. So, and especially like if you have nails, this is not gonna work for you, honestly. And the kickback on the matte shades in here, horrible, horrible, horrible. I am actually baffled. This is not version 2. There's like a little V2 here, and I honestly feel like they stamped a V2 on all the old palettes to make us think that it was a revamped palette, but it wasn't. They just stamped a fucking V2 on this, and I'm just upset. I mean, I'm happy with the way my makeup came out at the end, but I really think that's just because like my foundation looks good and my lips look, you know, they really brought out the look. But if you come really close up to my eyes, like this eyeshadow could not blend properly. It's not properly blended. Like, this is just not one of my better looks that I've ever come out with, and I'm just really disappointed that it had to be this palette that did this to me. You know, that's just all that I have to say on that. If you guys did enjoy any of these palettes that came out with this collection, you know, I'm so happy for you. But however, this just did not work for me, so it is what it is. I will probably be returning this if I can find my receipt. I don't know how Ulta does returns, but if I can find my receipt, I will definitely be returning this because it's just not worth the money in my humble opinion. With that being said, I will definitely try to do another fall tutorial for you guys, one that I use shadows that I like and know will perform very well. But until then, see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.